Okay, bit of a simpler one today, but a very, very important one. So d by dx of tan x. Now, in order to be able to solve this, we are going to turn this into sine x over cos x, and we are going to apply the quotient rule. Now, first thing I want to get across is how do we actually remember the quotient rule? Because if you're not given it, sometimes it's confusing which way around it is. So we should know that the quotient rule for a function f of x divided by g of x states that we have a derivative times by something minus a derivative times by something divided by something squared. Now, it's quite common to forget which one around it is. So here's how I remember. So g of x is on the bottom. So he likes being on the bottom. He's going to be on the bottom again, but this time he's going to be squared. So it's g of x squared on the bottom. And on the top, because g of x has gone on the bottom twice, he gets to go first. So g of x starts paired with f prime of x, and then minus the other way around. So g prime of x times f of x. I don't care if it's cringe, if it works. That's my motto. So there's my quotient rule. So now let's apply that to here. So I've got sine is f of x. I've got cos is g of x. Therefore, f prime of x, well, the derivative of sine is cos. And g prime of x, the derivative of cos, is minus sine. So let's pop that into this formula. So I get g of x, which is cos, times f prime of x, which is also cos, minus g prime of x, which is minus sine, times f of x, which is sine, all divided by g of x squared, which is cos squared x. So on the top here, I have cos squared x minus sine x times sine x. So that's minus sine squared. So that is a plus sine squared over cos squared. Cos squared plus sine squared is 1 divided by cos squared is the answer. Of course, you can rewrite that as sec squared x. Nice simple one. Make sure you learn the quotient rule.